Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 2nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Mana or Decentraland today and trying to tell you all that the price, it needs to survive this month in order for us to see some life, some upward price movement to occur. Welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do the news basically off of the price chart. I don't pay attention to what someone else is tweeting. I don't pay attention to someone else's video. I don't have to read someone else's article about their persuasion or their opinion about a certain cryptocurrency, because the answer is already here. It's off the price chart. The market price tells us what the majority of the people thinks. Not just one person, not one individual, everybody. So if you understand that and you come through and see what the overall market is showing us, we can actually be prepared for what's to come. So to those who are new, go ahead and hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because whenever I come through and I create my content, I want you all to be one of the first ones to know about it so that you can see where price is anticipated to go. Now look at that. You guys can see that I did a video in Mana on June the 3rd. Okay, so it's been about a month because today is the 2nd of July. And look, let's take a look. Look at this. I told you all back there on June the 3rd that Mana was weak, that the market was anticipated to go down in price. And that is exactly what happened. Take a look. If you haven't seen that video, you guys can go back and listen to it once you get done with this one, because all of my information is still public, it's still available. I'm not hiding anything from you all because I want to show you that this is actually happening. There is actually people here in the world able to predict where market is going to go. This is how you're able to win. Because on June the 3rd, I was looking for price in Mana to go down, and it did. Now, I want you all to notice something, because when I did the video back on June the 3rd, I was like, we can see the support or the buyers come into the market in Mana right here. And take a look. Just take a look. This is fantastic. This is amazing that you're able to produce this type of videos, this type of content, because the market in Mana actually came down to that level and it's been supported there. The buyers have actually been here. Look at that. See? You can actually pinpoint where you will leave your profitable position. So that's what, 24.45% run down from when I did the video. You won. That's how you're able to win in this space. Profitability right there. Now let's take it away. Okay, so we should not be surprised that the buyers into the market in Mana came in around 74-75 cents. We should not be surprised, but could that just be a placeholder? Because could the long-term view in Mana be down? Like, could the market still be bearish? Let's see, because the chart, like I told you earlier, it gives us everything we need to know. So let's go ahead and look at the market in Mana on a 3-month price chart. I want to show you all the 3 months, okay? Because it gives us a wider scale as to how the general market feels and what we can expect in the long term. So look at this last completed 3-month price bar in Mana. I don't like it. I'll be one of the first ones to tell you. I don't like that right here. How the market in Mana ended the last 3 months, and also seeing the price close off of that long-term trend that started back in January of last year, just 1 year trend that is now broken. So yeah, if anyone's trying to pump Mana, they ought to be ashamed of themselves, because they obviously have not seen the 3-month price chart. That is weakness there, y'all. We should not be looking for price in VeChain, not VeChain, but in Mana to go up. We should not be looking at that. Take a look at this on the 6 months. This is Mana on 6 months. Look at that. We still saw the price over the last 6 months in Mana close at the low of that 6-month price bar right here. So over the last 6 months, the price in Mana went as high as, get this, the price was trading at $3.54 during the last 6 months, and it went as low as 62 cents. Yes, in 6 months. Where do you see that at in any particular type of market? This is what a free market really looks like, is you could get a very wide scale of price activity in a short time frame. You will not see this type of action in the stock market, to where the market is down in 6 months 73%. So now that alone, those two time frames, 3 months and 6 months, we need to still be prepared and still be thinking that mana is weak. Okay, I'm just saying. We need to be prepared that price is still on a downward trajectory. We need to be prepared for that. Now, we need to try to gauge next as to how low can we see the market go. Now, the next area that I can see, looking at this on a monthly time frame, is right here. Okay, so since the market in mana decided to not trade above this long-term ascending line, which I've created, we need to cut it. We should not be expecting the market to go up then. We're not looking for the market to obey that trend line. So I'm looking for price in mana to come down now to 50 cents. That's going to be the closest area to me that we can see the buyers try to approach and buy this currency. 50 cents. Then the second one is going to be up here towards 40. Okay. These are going to be our price targets. We're already noticing, we're getting prepared for the move. Okay. So the market here is still weak. All right. We'll be the first ones to admit it. We're not going to give you anything that the chart is not reflecting. The market is weak. Now, we are here. We're looking for the price to continue to fall. First price target is going to be, I'll get it, around 63, 64 cents. Yeah, as the price continues to decline, we want to have some pit stops to where we could come in and profit off the move. 63 cents is first. Second is 50. Okay, so let me show you all this on the daily time frame. Okay, 63 cents will give us what? 23%. You see it? It gives us 20% run. Second, it's around 49, 50 cents. That's 39% movement to the downside in mana. Look at that. Now, in order for this to continue, we are going to continue to play the weakness here in the market. As long as the market price in mana stays below and trades below $1.15, okay, we are going to follow the same presumption that price is still weak. Now, it doesn't mean on a couple of daily time frames that the market won't do this. It won't go up because yes, price can go up. But if the market does not break out of our $1.15 price, we know that the market is still weak. So let's not fall for it. That's what the market is created to do. It's created to trick you and I into getting into some terrible positions. Now, I'm here. I'm done. This is what I'm expecting the market to do in mana. This is my newest price target as to where I suspect the market is going to do. That was your turn. Give me your price target. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.